Welcome to Halloumi, the Lebanese Bakehouse, where authentic Lebanese flavors meet a warm, welcoming atmosphere, where the rich flavors of Lebanon come to life in every bite. Whether you're a long-time lover of Middle Eastern cuisine or new to its vibrant taste, the menu offers a delightful experience for all. Right from fresh to zesty and the unforgettable taste of hummus, falafel, shawarma, and fatoush salad, each dish is prepared with the finest ingredients, traditional spices, and a passion for authentic Lebanese cooking. So, guys, let your taste buds embark on a journey through the heart of Lebanon. Hi, guys. This is Snigdha here. We are at Kalyani Nagar, and there's this lovely restaurant we are at, which we were talking about, specialized Lebanese food. And they've just recently started, say about 2 weeks. We got to know about it. We got to know about it earlier because then we were watching the construction going on.
Yeah.
We had just driven past and we had seen it and we said, wow. So we have to introduce this to our folks in the vicinity of Kalyani Nagar, Koregaon Park and Viman Nagar. So guys, if you're all hanging out there, you need to visit this restaurant. It's a beautiful restaurant. It's beautifully conceptualized and I like the decor. I love the decor. I'm sure you all will. It's easy on the eye. We are now in discussion with the owner, Amira, of this restaurant, along with her husband, Sufyan. But today it is Amira who's going to be with us and she'll take us through this, right?
Yeah.
So, hi Amira.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you and it's great. And we would like to congratulate you.
Thank you.
For this restaurant that you've come up with. And we wish you all the best, firstly. Alongside me is Satish and I'm Snigdha, your host. And we are here to introduce you to this new restaurant at Kalyani Nagar. Well, we are in discussion with Amira, who's the owner, along with her husband Sufyan, who's not here at the moment. But we are in discussion with her and we want to know more about this restaurant. How did she come up with this idea? Why Kalyani Nagar? So tell us.
So we were actually looking for a space for a cafe. I'm a pastry chef. So we were looking for a space for me so that I can do my bakes and have my own place. And then we came across this place and I mean, it was nice, but it was not a cafe kind of a place. It's huge, right? I mean, for a
absolutely.
cafe. So yeah, so then, and Sufyan and I have always been wanting to open up a restaurant. And I think everything just clicked. And Arabic food, I mean Lebanese food, because there's nothing really around here like authentic Lebanese food.
True.
So and Sufyan has a lot of knowledge.
And experience.
Yeah.
So what's his background?
So he is actually he's been into timber. So his family business is that. And yeah, it's
Wow.
yeah,
Where to where?
yeah, yeah. But he's traveled the world. So I mean, he's traveled to a few places. He's been in Panama for a bit. He's been in Africa for a bit, and Africa has a lot of these Lebanese people. And so I mean, everything just clicked. Everything was like it just flew, like it went with the flow, and everything just happened.
Just fell into place.
Yeah, and we have he has a few chef friends. And yeah, so it just worked out.
Yeah, so that's why he decided Lebanese because he was familiar.
Yeah, he's very familiar with Lebanese food. So yeah,
So that's why you decided.
Yeah.
So have you all done something like this before, or is this your maiden
Not
venture?
at all. This is our first restaurant.
Maiden venture. So when did you suddenly decide this? Was this a year ago? Is that why you're shifting?
So
here?
Lebanese food was never on our minds.
Okay.
It was always a cafe. But as I said, that we came across this place and it was too big for a cafe. At least that's what we thought.
Okay.
And yeah, so we
This
just
is
decided
okay,
on yeah.
So tell us something about the food that you all are.
So the food is authentic Lebanese. Our chef is from Lebanon.
My name is Zabia. I'm from Lebanon. I come to India to get the best food that I can, inshallah. Yeah,
So how do you like Pune?
I like. Before I know Bombay very well. I love Bombay. But when I come Pune, I think I will love more Pune. Yeah.
Why Pune more?
See now, 5 minutes is too crowd.
Yes.
So if you go like 5 minutes to there, it's so crowd, too much people. You go there, it's very quiet. You know, I like
True.
it. Yeah.
You like the quiet
Yeah,
place.
I love the- yes.
Kalyani
Very
Nagar has that.
He's So whatever he's giving out, he's very stubborn about his food.
All chefs are.
Yeah. So he doesn't want to change it for anyone. Like even if we tell him that
So you also give pretty authentic
very authentic.
stuff. He doesn't want to make
He
it as
doesn't-
per Indian taste and stuff like that.
I mean, he's now. I think he's getting a little open to that idea, but he feels like जो ट्रेडिशनल है वो जो ऑथेंटिक है वो रहना चाहिए. Then we can modify it a little bit according to mainly spice levels. बाकी everything is
You want to increase the spice levels,
a
obviously.
little. I think I think Pune people really like spicy food. But you know what? Ironically, we've been having people coming here and they're like, "Oh, I love the food. I like that it's authentic and it's not spicy and everything." So
That's one of us.
yeah,
We don't have a spicy
Yeah.
taste at all. So that would appeal to us completely. And I think the people around here, Kalyani Nagar especially,
Yeah.
I think that will appeal to them. 100%.
yeah.
101%.
They're all quite, I think, quite excited. I mean,
Yeah.
how many ever people we've met or our family, our friends from around here also, and even the youngsters, they're very, I think they're very, they like Lebanese food, they like Middle Eastern food.
Lebanese bread, like pita, is often served with meals. How fresh and soft is it is up to you. You got to try it to believe it. You can also explore any unique side like lentil soup or pickles.
Beetroot hummus. This is avocado and basil hummus. This is classic hummus. This is chili hummus, and this is Beirut hummus.
We were served a hummus platter which consisted of 5 different varieties of flavors. In addition, we tried the fatoush salad, which is a vibrant and refreshing Lebanese salad, and it consists of fresh vegetables, crispy pieces of fried or toasted pita bread, a dressing made with lemon and olive oil. The combination of crunch from the bread and the crispiness of the veggies makes fatoush a delightful dish. It also includes lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, and bell peppers, which are commonly used in the preparation, which is garnished with pomegranate, parsley, and mint. Can also be added for fragrance. Pita bread is torn or cut into pieces and then fried or toasted until crispy, which adds an essential crunch and flavor to the salad.
Complicated.
In my country also, you can't get falafel for sale. Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Beautifully he's done it.
Thank you.
He's not made it pungent, but he's giving you that slight,
The
thing of
spiciness.
slight on your tongue, and that taste, and very smooth, very smooth. I just loved
Do
it.
you still have eyes on me like in
Hi,
95?
how are you?
Hi.
So you tried to cook it good?
Yeah, it's lovely. We tried the hummus, we tried the
Hi,
falafel. Pretty authentic, very close. Yeah,
Alright.
I got the feeling we are in automatic for a moment.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great. I'm
So I got the feeling really close, really close. It was very nice, and we had a lovely host with us.
I'm glad
Amira.
please enjoy.
She comes from France, I come from Spain. I am based in Pune.
Tourist? Oh, you're
We
based
work
in
for the
Pune.
same company. And I've
Why
been living
since
here
then?
for 1 year.
Oh wow! Do you like it?
Oh, yes. Yeah. I
Yeah.
do, I
Are
do.
you? What about the food? Are you comfortable with the food?
Yeah, yeah. I'm getting better.
Do you like this restaurant? This is your first time?
Yeah, it was the first time. Yeah, yeah. And it was very good. Yeah.
You like the food? You like Lebanese food?
Yeah.
You do. Have you had it?
It's my first time. I discovered it.
You've tried Lebanese food before?
I used to live in Dubai, so in Dubai. But this one was very good, very authentic.
Very authentic, right?
Towards the end of our visit, we were treated to a slice of Biscoff cheesecake. And I have to say, it was a lovely touch. It's indulgent without being overwhelmingly sweet, and the balance of flavors and textures is spot on. One slice is never enough. Well, we'd like to thank the owners of Halloumi for making us feel so welcome at your restaurant. The Lebanese cuisine was authentic. We truly enjoyed learning about your menu and the passion behind your dishes. The food was absolutely incredible, and I must say, a special compliment to the chef. Everything was prepared to perfection. Each dish had such great flavor, and we could really taste the quality of the ingredients. We were glad for the opportunity to experience your restaurant. Thank you again for such a delightful evening.
بقى صديب بس كلتك كلابة حط ابو لهيب شب عصا اخماده المحتوى شيك لان جرى اعداده كانوا في سليب جا البلك